Hi, I'm Christopher Andriessen with this Caltrans District 9 construction update. I'm standing alongside State Route 168, where crews are in the process of giving this road a safety makeover. State Route 168 West, better known as West Line Street, is going to look a lot different in the city of Bishop when work is complete on the safety improvement project. Currently, the road fluctuates between 4 to 3 lanes from near the Northern Inyo Hospital all the way west to Manor Market. But back in 2014, Caltrans began to work on plans for the road that would increase safety and make traveling along this section of Line Street more equitable for vehicles, bicycles, and pedestrians. Caltrans initially presented 5 restriping options. After much debate and community feedback, it settled on Alternative 3, which features dedicated parking and bike lanes on both sides of the highway, as well as a continuous 2-way left turn lane down the middle. The new lane configuration will improve safety by reducing the number and severity of collisions this road sees.
It feeds into driver awareness and expectation throughout the corridor, reducing conflict points, ingress and egress coming on and off the state highway system, and allowing for more visibility amongst all modes of transportation.
Construction is underway on this project, and it's expected to be completed by the end of August 2020. During the construction phase, both directions of 168 will have a lane open for traffic. Bicyclists and pedestrians will also have continuous access through the construction area. For Caltrans District 9, I'm Christopher Andriessen.